Now, second type of question that can be asked again on the recursion topic is simply find the output of this program. Okay, this is a GATE 18 question, 1 mark question, simple question, just you need to find out the output. Okay, so whenever we are finding the output, start tracing the program from main. Okay, just remember that every time your execution starts with main. So first go to main. From main we can see that the first function call is for calc 4, 81. This is the first function call. Now the control will be transferred over here, and you can see here that counter is a global variable. Okay, so now there is a difference between global variable and local variable. This is a local variable int c, whereas counter is a global variable. So counter will be stored in a data memory, whereas this c, that is integer c, will be stored in a stack. Okay, so counter is initially 0. The first statement is to increment this counter to 1. The counter will be incremented to 1. And second is to call this function calc. Okay, so here the main statement is this one, and either if this or else this. So first else will get executed because the value of b is not 3. Second, again increment this counter to 2. And then again call the calc function. Third, again increment this value to 3 and call the calc function. Now see here, b value has become 3, but what is the sequence of the statement? First increment the counter value. First increment the counter value, then check the condition. Now this condition is true. If this condition is true, we have to return this value a into a into a. Now we are not interested in this value, what is getting written, a into a into a. So I am not calculating this value. What we are interested in, we want to print this counter value. And what is the value of counter now? The value of counter now is 4. So what output will get printed is 4. So it is a NAT type of question. You have to just fill the value 4, and you can solve this problem by using tree method.